In a lush green forest filled with thriving fauna was a silly woodpecker. This woodpecker had a dream ever since it was young, to be the best drummer at the bird festival. The silly bird always pecked everywhere, be it tree trunks, the ground, and various stones. It loved the sounds that came from pecking different materials. One day the woodpecker pecked a boulder and broke its beak. The bird wailed for 3 days and 3 nights. The healer owl could only tie the broken beak with medicinal herbs. The woodpecker without its long beak became the laughing stock of the flock. The silly bird would fight with its own kind for calling it useless. The gloomy woodpecker flapped its wings and flew away. It happened to meet the dark and mysterious ravens and flew away with them. Ravens weren't particularly friendly birds, but they welcomed the brightly feathered bird into their flock. The woodpecker's beak healed, but it would no longer be that long and strong beak again. Lamenting its bad luck, the woodpecker spent its days with the ravens. When the bird festival came, the forest was revived with the chirps and cries of various birds. The woodpeckers drummed the trees proudly. The flamingos danced lively, and the peacocks flaunted their tails. When it came to the raven show, the silly woodpecker was the main star. It sang with a voice that shocked many of its own kind. Many of the female birds chirped and tweeted with interest. The silly woodpecker found that even with one dream gone, it could still have another one, an even better dream.